to you guys. So I just woke up with this beautiful view. From the thumbnail you might have been aware that where I'm heading to. So I would like to say that we are heading towards Pondicherry. See you in a while. Our trip has started with you. Welcome to Pondicherry, guys. We are entering this beach area. So entrance ticket is like 10 rupees. So my girlies are here behind me. Now we have to walk a little ahead and then we have to get a boat ticket also. हम लोग बोट कर लिया है this thing. So it costed us for 3 people 1062 rupees. So yeah, my Paltan. I think we have to choose for this motorboat only. It's beautiful. Lata, beautiful Gitu, beautiful me. Let's enjoy the trip now. So we reached the destination now. It's nice and cute.
This is the paradise.
This is a paradise beach.
We are just entering to the paradise beach. We have.
So we are at Paradise Beach. My girly gang. This is how the view is. It is cute, nice and relaxing. This is what we are doing since half an hour. Splashing the water. झूठ नहीं बोल रहे, एक बोट आ गया. वो बोले थे कि आधा घंटा में एक बोट आएगा. अब बोल. So madams are like, you know, relaxing nicely.
Me.
तो हम लोग को घर से निकाल दिया है. तो हम लोग का बैगेज पीछे पड़ा हुआ है. Welcome to Paradise Beach. It's quite difficult for us because we are strolling our trolley as well. Oh my god. This is like nice and cute. So we reached Paradise Beach around 20 minutes back, but we were just strolling around in the beach. So here is the option: restroom, activities, restaurant, everything is here. This is the first view of Paradise Beach. See you in a while. So finally we reached Mermaid Resort Island. This is how it is. I'll give you a tour. We are staying in 605. This is how it looks. Madam Gitu is here. Lata, full tired. So this is our bombing area. This is the pantry area where we have already occupied. And wash basin. One more. So one balcony and a small TV. And now the view is, ta-da! This is the Serenity Beach area. So we just came from Paradise Beach. we were so exhausted, so we didn't do any videos and all. View is nice. You can see the beautiful waves. So we are heading towards this rock beach thing to see sunset. Tata and Gitu are sitting behind. They both are looking gorgeous. I'll show you how it is. So we are on the way to rock beach right now. Sunset already bhaisakisakyo. See you in a while. So हामीहरू रक बीच पनि पुगिसके हैन अन्त यहाँनिर अब रिल्याक्स गरेर बसिरहेको छु सनसेट त अलरेडी उतापट्टि हुँदो रहेछ वी वर नट एबल टु सी अब एकछिन यहाँनिर रिल्याक्स गरेर चाहिँ विल गो एन्ड सी द नाइट मार्केट